Hello everyone, welcome back to the Legal Explorer. I am Advocate Romana. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting and controversial topic. What is that? Can a Muslim woman divorce her husband even if he says no? Yes, she can divorce. Who said this? This is said by, and this is the judgment given by an Telangana High Court. Telangana High Court has just made it very clear. This is not just a court case, this is a revolution for a Muslim woman in India. But the bigger question is, why are the people still unaware of this right? See, I'll discuss with you the brief facts of the cases. In this case, a woman got married in the year 2012. After the few years, things got really very bad in her marriage. So, she even had to be hospitalized due to the domestic violence in the year 2017. She went back to her parents' house and tried many times to fix things, but her husband didn't cooperate. So finally she decided to seek a khula. Khula is nothing but it is a form of a divorce allowed to the Muslim woman under Islamic law. But the husband refused to give her divorce. So she went to the religious panel. Religious panel includes a mufti, Islamic studies professors and an imam, and they issued a Khulanama. Khulanama is nothing but a certificate that declares that the marriage is over. The husband got angry. He said that, I didn't give the consent. So he went to the family court saying that, this divorce is not valid. She cannot leave me like this. But guess what? Both the family court and the Telangana High Court dismissed the complaint. Telangana High Court said that. What did the Telangana High Court say? The Telangana High Court said something very powerful. The Telangana High Court said, a Muslim woman's right to seek khula is an absolute. She does not need her husband's permission. She does not even have to prove a cause like an abuse or a violence to seek it. Her wish followed by an attempt at reconciliation is enough. And once the court confirms the khula, the marriage is legally over. So, a Muslim woman does not need her husband's consent before applying for a Khulanama. What is Khula? I'll explain in the simple terms. Khula is the Islamic way of a woman saying, I no longer want to stay in this marriage. She usually offers to return her meher, is nothing but dower, and asks for the separation. It is her right and she does not need a yes from her husband to use this right. Today I'm going to explain you what people think versus what law says. See, many people still believe that only a husband can end a Muslim marriage, but that's not true. Even today some women are suffering in silence because of this misunderstanding. This judgment clears all confusion. It shows that the Indian legal system recognizes a Muslim woman's voice and her dignity. What's happening today? See, even today, in many homes, women are afraid to speak up. They don't know their rights. Okay? They don't know their rights. Still the people think that you need your husband's permission, which is not required by the law. This is why judgments like this matter. They bring clarity, empowerment, and the change. So, I want to give a message to the women, the one who are suffering and the one who are watching. If you are a Muslim woman, remember, you have the right to the dignity. You have the right to freedom. And yes, you have the right to khula without anyone's permission. What do you think about this judgment? Should a woman be allowed to walk out of a toxic marriage without anyone's approval? Let us know in the comments.